What's good, everyone? Welcome to another show, CP9. If you notice, I've got a knife and and a plastic over here because I've already butchered the earpiece. Okay, I didn't butcher it, I just unboxed it earlier, but because I could not wait for all of you, and it's ready. There's my baby, the Edifier W295BT Plus. This is the latest. Well, it was released earlier in the year in the States, probably in March of 2019. I believe it arrived in Malaysia in August of 2019. Wow. IPX5, sweat and splash resistant, good for daily exercise. It's got a nice build to it. You know, it still has a... Sounds banging. Oh well, what do you know? Moving on. Now there's an improvisation from this one as compared to the one last year, the W295BT, which I have over here. I've been using this for a year now, over a year. I love it. You know, like a lot of you may prefer headphones or the buds, you know, but I like this one because I know I won't lose it. You know, the sound quality is good, bass is there, everything is there, as long as you have the right amplifier and the right app to play with your equalizer. Okay, remember that. Always find the right app. There's no way that an earpiece cannot produce good sound, especially coming from Edifier. Now this was the previous version, and this is the latest one. What's new is that it's got Qualcomm's APX. Okay. Well, now what it does is that it improves the sound. It improves the sound. It makes the bass, the treble, everything more compressed, because Bluetooth doesn't deliver all the sound all at one time. Sometimes you're missing a piece of treble, you're missing a piece of the bass, a lot of it. But with the Qualcomm APX system, it's fixed. In fact, it helps a lot with the delay problem. Okay, when it delays, sometimes you kind of help it feel like you're 3 or 4 seconds behind when you're watching a movie. Now look at it. Look at that. What do you know? They handed me a red color one. Red is one of my favorite colors. Okay, look at this. What do you think? Ooh. Say ooh la la. Ooh. Very careful. Christmas came early. I'm happy. Well, this model isn't that new, but it's not cheap. It's in Malaysia, it's priced at 199 maybe in Malaysia, but if you buy it online, maybe 130, 140 or so. So it's got an inbuilt mic, and if you look carefully here, you can see, you know, increase the volume, lower the volume. That's when if someone calls you, just switch on, and you can go to your phone mode, right? Now, what else we got here? What is this? Whoa! It's so cool! Man! For a while there, I thought it was a ladies' compact makeup, but it's a charger. It's a charger for the earphones. Oh man, I'm loving it. Instructions. Well, you know about this, man. We don't really read that. We've got various sizes for the earplugs, just in case. Yeah, I've got small ears, so I may need that. You know what? I'm gonna have fun with this right now, and once I'm ready to get a full review, I'll be right back. Okay, so stay tuned. So CP9. Until then, we'll be back.